Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and today I just wanted to share a quick tip with you. If you're someone who struggles with matching your fonts like I do, I'm not the best at that, and there's so many to choose. So I'm going to share with you a resource that I like to utilize for this. And this is one of my favorite sites to find graphics, fonts, all sorts of things is Creative Fabrica. Right now, they're currently running a Christmas in July special where you can get a full 12 months of their all access pass, where you get access to all of their fonts, images, crafts, photos, tools, even they have classes, they have software tools on that. You can get all of that for $47 for 12 months, and that comes out to just $3.99 per month. If you are someone who crafts, you'll want to check this deal out. And you also will get a free gift of HTV and some tools when you subscribe during the special Christmas in July. And if you're someone who's already subscribed to Creative Fabrica, you can extend your subscription for another year for the $47 and you'll get the free gift as well. So when I am looking for fonts for my creative projects, what I like to do actually is search for font duos. And when I do that, that's going to, I mean, font duo, I shouldn't have put the S on there. Font duo. When I type in font duo, then it's going to bring me up a selection of all of the different font duos that's on Creative Fabrica. And what a font duo is basically where the designer who created the font has already created two or more coordinating fonts. And when you do use a font duo, like for instance, if we look at this one, this Daisy Diary one, um, we'll see that it is a font duo. It contains two different fonts. It contains a script font as well as a retro. So this, when you get this one, you know that those two fonts automatically have been designed to coordinate well with each other. So that is one of the ways I like to make sure that, and you can see I've already downloaded this one. And there are lots of different font duos that you can utilize. One of my favorites right now also is this Brown Carolina duo. I think it's so pretty, but there are lots of different ones that you can choose from. So you can just simply go to, if you're a member of Creative Fabrica, you can simply go log in, type in font duo without the S, and then you will see a list of the different fonts that the designers have already created to go with each other. This one is very pretty, this Pretty Summer. The Rose Sunshine, that's a cute one. And like I said, there's lots to choose from. It's just a quick idea of ways that you can be sure that you, when you're designing planners or graphics for your social media, whatever, you can get something that goes well with each other. Okay, I hope you find this quick tip helpful, and talk to you next time. Bye bye.